I know you wanted me to stay, but I can't ignore the crazy visions of me in LA.
I hope you can bring the same joy to someone, and the same joy that you give to someone will be received by you too. I love you so much. And I miss you. I wish we could stay in touch even during this hellish college year, okay?
Will make my mama proud. It's gonna cause a scene. She sees her baby girl. I know she's gonna scream.
Ang wish ko sa kanya ay pagbutihin ng pag-aaral, siyempre, at saka sana makamit niya yung kanyang dream pagdating ng panahon, kasi yun lang ang maibibigay din namin, siyempre nga pamana sa kanya.
Wish ko sana maging masaya ka palagi, and good health. Happy 18th birthday lang siya.
Every night's another reason why I left it all. I think my wicked...
Hindi man sa lahat ng oras ay merong makikinig sa'yo, pero alam ko na may iba na makikinig sa'yo at dadabahin ka sa lahat ng oras.
She sees her baby girl. I know she's gonna scream.
Pangaral sa'yo ng mama mo, ng papa mo, ng mga ate mo, tapos mga tito-tita mo ay pakinggan mo, no? Kasi lahat ng sinasabi nila para yun sa ikabubuti mo.
It's where I belong, down at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down in West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. Pink Pony Club. Don't think
Be contented and successful in life. Also good health. So I love you, babe. Happy birthday.
I can hear your southern drawl 1,000 miles away.
Kung ano man yung pagdaanan mo ng mga difficulties, mga challenges, ma-overcome mo, and always remember na kahit wala na ako sa bahay, welcome ka rin eh.